Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today, I'll explain material links. Let's begin! Let's start! Prepare a cube and sphere object. Apply the green material to the cube object. Select the sphere object. Click this button. Select the green material you've applied to the cube. In this way, the green material is also applied to the sphere object. This number represents the number of objects linked to this material. In this state, the green material is linked to both the cube and the sphere object. If you click on this number, the link will be cancelled, and we can apply another material to the cube and sphere objects. From the status, the green material is applied to the cube, and the red material is applied to the sphere. Change the material applied to the cube to the red material. In this way, the red material is applied to the cube and sphere objects. The green material will have no links to any of the objects, but the information will remain. Materials with no links will have the number 0 shown in front of them. In this state, the material will be deleted as soon as Blender is closed. If you want to save the material, you need to click this button to enable it before the material link disappears. When the button was enabled, the material name will be shown in front, like this. In this state, even if you exit Blender without a link, you don't have to worry about the material being deleted. Materials without links will be deleted automatically when you exit Blender, but this time I'll try deleting the material with the file still open. Change the display in Outliner from View Layer to Orphan Data. In Orphan Data, you can display data without links. If you expand the material item, you can see the material without the link. Right-click on the material you want to delete, and it'll bring a context menu. When selecting Delete, you'll permanently delete the material. You can also make orphan data like a fake user. This is the end of the lecture on material links. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye!